So I'm going to go Section G Step 8, which is the spinner installation. And I'm out of stock on these spinners right now. I have an extra spinner mount here that I can at least do the video with. When we install this spinner mount onto the rotor head, don't use the G10 plate that some of them will come with. Just go ahead and leave that off. It's a 3-arm G10 plate. And just mount the spinner mount directly to the rotor head. And when you do that, the screws that it comes with are going to be a little long, so you'll need to cut them a little bit shorter. So I got them all cut out so they stick out about 1.5 millimeters out the bottom. And don't forget to Loctite this stuff. Okay, that gets the spinner mount on. Now the spinners themselves, come with a bottom plate, and I've just been really breaking that bottom plate out. It just kind of holds the shape, tries to hold the shape of the spinner in shipping. You can, if you want, finish these cuts and leave these parts in. It helps hold this curvature a little bit better. But I've just been breaking it out. And then the heads of the cap screws will line up with these 3 holes. Okay, this one has not been drilled through. I see the a pilot hole in there, but not 1.53 inches. Before I drill that, I'm just going to see if I center that on that pilot hole, if it wants to spin true. And it does look like it does want to spin true. If it didn't, I think I'd try to work that hole one way or the other. We have had problems getting these things to spin true. This one looks pretty good. And we've actually coming out with an injection molded spinner that should be out in maybe for sure by the end of 2011, probably November time frame it'll be out. So I've actually seen the prototype pieces, so the mold's actually finished, and we just have to finish up cleaning up the mold, and they have to send me a prototype so I can test it out. But once I get done checking it out, we'll be able to sell it and clean the final cleanup of the mold. That'll be a nice improvement.